Wednesday's forecast shows the mild temperatures continue, mid-50s, with the rain of varying intensity and that strong wind from time to time. And again, that southwest wind direction continues much of tomorrow before it shifts into the northwest direction behind this front at night. So this is 3 p.m. You're dealing with some rain showers for the morning drive and the evening commute. Big puddles are certainly a possibility. That wind and the rain lowering your visibility, a little extra time on the roads, certainly. And then here we are, 10 p.m. to midnight tomorrow night. That front comes through. Sharply, the wind shifts into the northwest. We could briefly see the rain end as a period of wet snow. Not worried about the snow accumulation, but we do need to keep an eye on how much moisture is still left over on the road from 1 to 2 inches of rainfall and those temperatures falling sharply. So it could turn a little icy overnight into Thursday morning. Otherwise, it's brisk and chilly Thursday, a little less wind by night. And the first day of March on Friday looks fine. High pressure to the south, lots of sunshine, but it will be a cool, fairly seasonable day with highs in the low and mid 40s. All right, let's look at the rain potential. Everybody sees 1 to 2 inches of rainfall from now through when this ends about 24 hours from now, late tomorrow night. But there could be some pockets of over 2 inches of rain, and the forecast guidance continues to favor Kent, Washington, Newport counties in Rhode Island, and southern Bristol County in Massachusetts. But again, I think all of us have a shot of seeing amounts exceed 2 inches. And then the wind, strongest along the coast, gusting from the south-southwest, over 50 miles an hour from southern Rhode Island through the Cape and the islands. The rest of us between 40 and 50 miles an hour. So certainly strong enough to cause some pockets of minor damage. With that wind shift, that front coming through tomorrow night at this time, higher elevations could certainly get some gusts over 50 miles an hour as well. And that's going to translate to some chilly wind chill temperatures on Thursday as the wind stays up 15 to maybe 30, 35 miles an hour. It's going to feel like it's in the teens and low 20s with the actual high temperatures in the mid 30s on Thursday. So a dramatic temperature change after all this moves away. We'll catch a breather on Friday with some sunshine, some drizzle and showers move back in on Saturday as a little storm passes off to our south.